I'm going to show you how to manage these two tabs over here in PrintExp, Hosonsoft, or DTF Station Pilot. I'll say this at the beginning of most every one of these episodes. Not all features and functions are available in every single version of PrintExp, Hosonsoft, or DTF Station Pilot. I'm using DTF Station Pilot today because it's running my DTF Station Prestige R2 Pro. Most of the time you're going to have two tabs over here. They should say active job or active something or past something. Basically, these are your active jobs you're getting ready to print, and these are your past jobs that you've already printed. So in your past jobs window, you might have a whole bunch of past jobs and you just want to clear them all out real quick. Simply right click and click clear list. That literally removes everything. If you have a past job that you would like to reprint again, you can right click on it and say either add to printing or print immediately. If you click print immediately, it's just going to start printing. If you click add to printing, it's going to add it to the active jobs list. On some versions, you can actually even look back and see what print speed you achieved on that last print. In the active jobs list, you have a couple of options. If you right click and let's say you want to reorder these so you know what order you want to print them in, you can move them up or down by using move next or move to head or move previous. So there's 4 different options here to move around the files that you're printing with. Once you start printing a file, if you want to make the next file ready to go as soon as that job's done printing, you simply right click and say print ready. And as soon as that first job completes, the second job will start right up. If you want to get rid of a single job, you can click the X here, or you can just right click and clear list like we did before. I hope this little video helps you be more efficient and maybe work a little bit faster in PrintExp, Hosonsoft, or DTF Station Pilot. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of the PrintExp Explained series of videos. We'll see you next time.